First off, we see the Cagney, which I actually haven't seen in a while.
Little guy.
After that, we headed down to Casey Jones for some lunch. But almost like an appetizer to our meal, 89 came in before our food was ready. A couple days earlier, they fitted her with LIR number 39 Pensy 3 chime. And then while we were in the restaurant, 89 left for her next trip. Yet again, we went out to the crossing to see 89 on her return trip from Paradise. "8618 started doing some switching, but sadly she didn't come out. A train that did come out of the station, however, was 89. And I was holding my phone upside down. After 89 passed, we went down to the yard to see CNO 614. When we got there, however, we heard the familiar sound of the Cagney as it reversed through the shed. The conductor got off right next to 614 and moved the barrel that acted as a buffer at the end of the track. They brought the Cagney down here to, I think, empty the ash pan and oil the bearings. Once they were finished with that, they blew down the engine and brought her back to load more passengers and do another run. After that really interesting scene, we headed down to Espenshade Crossing to see 89 working hard coming up the hill. Since 90 was recently restored, they haven't really been pushing her hard, but since 89 has been working for a long time, they're not afraid to work her as hard as they need to. We ended the day at the Gap Curve, where we caught a single keystone. But Big Steamer wasn't here for just one day. Oh no, he still had another day being stuck with us. We started it off back at the station where we yet again caught the Cagney, while I'm assuming was a test run. And right after the Cagney got through, 89 put it. As we were waiting to be able to board, the Cagney came by us once again. They stopped just as 89 was running around the train. But they can't stop forever. We barely managed to get in the observation car before 89 coupled up.
I hear the train a-comin', it's rollin' around the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps rollin' on down to San Antone. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. I bet there's rich folks eating in a fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. Well, I know I had it coming. I know I can't be free. But those people keep a moving, and that's what tortures me.
No, bruh, 614, I hate you so much. Or I guess
Well, if they freed me from this prison, if that railroad train was mine, I bet I'd move it on a little farther down the line. Far from Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay. And I'd let that lonesome whistle blow my blues
Not that way.
away.
And it wasn't sound.
Since the train wasn't in the station, it was just tag me, and maybe even a bit of, oh hey look, it's 89.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your attention, please. For your safety, please stand clear of the tracks on the Brixby on the yellow line. And allow these trains to stay moving to 19th Century Limited will be the next train into the station exit.
To run two trains in the center. Yeah, they definitely don't get nearly as many as they used to.
The reason we didn't chase the train is because we had a shop door. And while walking to the shed to get our safety glasses, we saw 89 leaving. We also saw RJD number 2006, and of course, the Cagney. On the way into the shops, we saw the other RJD equipment, 614, and the traction engine. On our way out of the back shop into the engine shop, we saw 89 pulling into the station on their return trip. And then in the shed, we finally saw the star of the show, 90. She was down for her 31-day inspection at the time, so she wasn't running. And on the way out of the shed, in an unexpected turn of events, we saw the Cagney again. Okay, I have so many Cagney clips and just take a speed through them. Except this one's really good. Okay, now back to speedrunning Cagney. And to end off the day, we headed to Espenshade one last time to see 89 yet again.